Today, the 20th of May, 2014, we appear at the High Court where Mr. CN Sharma had to turn up to a hearing in a matter dated back since 2004, August 1, 2004. It's a matter in relation to a statement persons reported to him on the Advice to the People program the 1st of August 2004. And this statement that the resident of Lagrange, Independence Street, reported to CN apparently offended one Kamaal Chan. And Mr. Kamaal Chan, that's the same Kamaal Chan that's a member of parliament and the president of GAU, said he was offended by statements made on that program. Where Mr. CN Sharma visited the resident of Lagrange, Independence Street, and the residents complained about road, they complained about not receiving potable water, and the quality of water. During the course of that discourse and outreach by Mr. CN Sharma, the leader of the Australia Party, residents, in particular a woman, indicated to Mr. CN Sharma that Kamaal Chan, in this case here, the plaintiff, said to them in a meeting that if they invite Mr. CN Sharma again to Lagrange, he will disconnect the water. He will instruct persons to disconnect the water and they will not get road and things of that nature. Mr. Kamaal Chan felt that he was offended, and he felt that he suffered damages in terms of ingredients, he lost sleep and things of that nature. So he decided to sue Mr. CN Sharma for $25 million. $25 million. This case matter is number 526W of 2004. And Mr. CN Sharma is out here, he's seen here, and you know he's not himself, he cannot represent himself. He has his attorney at law, Nigel Hughes, who represented him. And in the court today, I was a person attended the court hearing. What I saw is that the honorable judge was frustrated with the attorney that is representing the plaintiff, that is attorney Ganraj, and the judge was annoyed in terms of the preparation of this case. He was speaking about the attorney at law in Guyana ambushing the defendant whenever there is a case, not in this case alone, but many other cases. And he even referred to that as a practice that occurs since in the 18th century. And he wanted, that lawyers from the plaintiff and the defendant side should cooperate and communicate with each other so you have a smooth hearing, a smooth trial. So the judge here was very aggrieved in which the manner in which the attorney at law will handle this case. So the attorney at law that originally represented Mr. Kamaal Chan in 2004 was no other than Mabir Nandalal himself. And you know that individual now is the Attorney General of this country. As a result, this matter was handed to a comrade of his Ganraj, who is the attorney at law that is prosecuting this case. And as I said, the Honorable Justice Bobble Drake was annoyed over in which State Ganraj prepared and presented his case in terms, he ambushed the defendant, Mr. CN Sharma, and his lawyer, with a videotape that he did not, video evidence that he did not present as evidence before, and wanted it to show immediately. And the learned judge had to rectify the matter in terms of guiding him. So the Honorable Justice Bobble Drake had to be like a teacher in the courtroom here today, and that is what I saw for myself. So we need a lot more improvement in which our lawyers will prosecute matters in the High Court and any other court, magistrate court. And so this is a first-hand example to see how judges are faced with decisions that they have to make when lawyers do not prepare themselves and do not discuss matters with the attorney that is representing the other side. You have a plaintiff, you have a defendant, there's no communication, there is no idea of who is the witness, what evidence you have. And what the learned judge was saying, if these things and this communication is done beforehand, you will have a very smooth trial. And persons on both sides, the defendant and the plaintiff, will be happy with the outcome of the matter, and they will not waste the court of the time. So we have to regale ourselves by watching a video footage of 2004 that was presented by a witness from the new Broadcasting Authority, Ghana Broadcasting Authority. They have a media monitoring unit there, and that tape that was recorded since 2004, August 1st, was played in its entirety to the court today. And I sat and I looked at it, and what I saw is a champion, Mr. CN Sharma, championed the cause of the poor people. He fought for the poor people. As you know, I only started the politics, and you know I'm not a politician because I resigned from Parliament. If you were a politician, you would never resign. So I'm not a politician, but fighting for the people like Mr. CN Sharma. He himself never had the opportunity to go to Parliament like myself. But nevertheless, Mr. CN Sharma and myself continue to fight for the cause of the people. However, the statement by a lady in this footage who said Kamaal Chan was there and threatened them because Mr. CN Sharma visited that location before, and Mr. Kamaal Chan knew that Mr. CN Sharma would revisit. So apparently Mr. Kamaal Chan is alleged that he went into the community where he lived. The same Mr. Kamaal Chan lived at 223 F Lagrange, West Dem, and that is the same area that this incident occurred in terms it was Lagrange, Independence Street. So it's an area which Kamaal Chan, the MP then, Agahu president, know very well. He know the residents, and residents were not fearful to speak about this allegation of his threat to them in terms that they would have no road and no water if they should speak to Mr. CN Sharma. Apparently, they had old people 90 years old, over 90 years old, women, children, and if you saw the road deplorable condition, seeing is believing. Mr. CN Sharma said in that video evidence that was presented, seeing is believing. The people punishing, they have to drink trench water. They have to do water that's coming through the pipe is like mud. The trench water more clean than that. This did not offend Mr. Kamaal Chan. What offended Mr. Kamaal Chan is when Mr. CN Sharma listened to a woman who say Mr. Kamaal Chan threatened them. And if Mr. CN Sharma visit the location, he will disconnect the water and he will not fix the road. Mr. Kamaal Chan felt threatened by that. He said his integrity is damaged, but he did not see the integrity, the health of the people, the health of the community has been damaged by the administration, his administration, which he is part of, not looking after the interests of the poor and ordinary people, the pensioners, the children, and those that are vulnerable. They had cases where they had children that is disabled in wheelchair. And so Mr. CN Sharma will be going to court next on the 12th of June 2014 for an next hearing to this matter, in which the attorney representing Mr. Kamaal Chan, says Gunrad, will have to present a next witness to continue the matter. So let us look and see what is the development in this matter. Mr. Kamaal Chan wanted damages of $25 million for Mr. CN Sharma. Thank you.